Gumawa tayo ng filling sandwiches out of my favorite ingredients, ham and cheese, na pwede mong kainin for breakfast o di kaya ay for snack. Ituturo ko sa iyo today ay isang napaka-delicious na recipe yet a classic one. Ang tawag sa kanya ay Montecristo Sandwiches. Ako nga pala si Liana Tan Arsenas for Food Swings. Simulan na natin ang ating Montecristo Sandwiches. Naghugas ako ng kamay, ha? So, kakamayin ko. So, I have here 8 pieces of sliced bread. At ang gagawin natin is to put or spread yung ating softened na dairy cream, ating margarine, on one side of the bread slices. So, sa bread, no, you can better to use yung day-old bread. Yan, kasi para mas firm siya, lalo na maya-maya iso-soak natin sa milk egg mixture and then ipa-fry natin siya. Now, ways to soften yung margarine, just leave it out sa room temperature. O kaya medyo i-zap nyo sa microwave pero ilagay nyo sa defrost setting. Kasi ang laging ginagawa ng lahat is lalagay sa high setting ng microwave tapos isa-zap dun for a few minutes. So, nangyari, tunaw siya, hindi siya soften. Pero pag nilagay mo sa defrost setting at few seconds, yan, soften ang margarine. Itong margarine, aside from, of course, contributing yung masarap na lasa, no? Important din siya sa mga sandwiches kasi piniprevent nito yung sogginess, lalo na kung meron kang medyo basang ingredient katulad ng ham, no? Kasi meron yung liquid eh. Although kahit drain mo na, may moisture pa rin. So parang sealant yung dating. So babalik na rin natin ang bread slices. And then kalahati nito, lalagyan naman natin ng mustard. So, yung mustard naman ang nagbibigay ng distinct taste or profile ng ating Montecristo. Ngayon, kung ayaw naman ng mustard, that's fine. Kasi may mga bata, syempre, they don't like yung mga mustard. It's okay. We can proceed with using naman yung mayonnaise kasi may mayonnaise pa tayo. Okay, and last, here. Now, dito naman sa other half, lalagyan naman natin ating Magnolia Real Mayonnaise. So actually, ang dami natin Magnolia products na kasama sa ating Montecristo Sandwiches kasi ang Magnolia is celebrate goodness every day. Ganun din ang roll niya, no? Parang sealant din siya. Tsaka, nagbibigay ng sobrang namnam, no? Dun sa sandwich natin. Next, we are going to put in our cheese, our ham, and then another layer of cheese. So, this recipe has a lot of cheese, which is sobrang sarap, no? So, ang ginawa ko, we used 1 bar of Magnolia QuickMelt cheese kasi kailangan oozing siya, no? May nagme-melt na cheese. Tapos, lagyan mo ng ham. So, spread out muna natin yung ating cheese. So, the way I cut, I used 1 bar. So, how it was cut is that you cut it in half and then sa bawat half, you cut it horizontal. Maiba naman sa normal way of And then I used, of course, ang PUREFOODS sweet ham. At ang PUREFOODS sweet ham made from premium quality meats, perfectly sliced to give you a very meaty taste in every bite. So you use about mga, we're gonna use 1 pack. So normally din double ko din yung ham. Diba? Kasi Montecristo, makapal siyang sandwich. Sobrang siya, malaman. Okay, and then put in another layer of cheese. Magnolia QuickMelt cheese. Walang tatalo dyan. It's really good. Tsaka yan lang ang alam kong quick melting cheese around town. Okay. And then, cover. So cover with the remaining slices of bread that has been spread with mayonnaise. And then we're ready to dip it in our egg milk mixture and then fry. Let's make our egg milk mixture. So combined milk. This is about 1 cup of milk or 250 ml pack. Tapos dalawang Magnolia brown eggs. So, mag-preheat na tayo ng ating lightly greased pan. I-whisk habang inintay natin yan. I-whisk ko muna ito. It's very easy. So, whisk. You know, yung fresh, napaka-fresh ng egg. Grabe, ang ganda ng tindig ng yolk niya. Alam nyo ba kung paano i-test ang freshness ng itlog? In a bowl of water, ilagay nyo yung egg. Dapat ang egg na fresh ay nagsisink. Pag yan ay medyo nagtiptoe, lumulutang, sabihin hindi na ganun ka-fresh. But doesn't mean hindi nyo pwedeng gamitin. It's just that, kung naghahabol ka na pag nagluto ka ng sunny side up na egg, no, na fried egg, dapat maganda yung tindig ng yolk, hindi nababasag agad yung yolk. Then, we shall dip. So, i-dip nyo lang. And then we will fry. So we can put in 2 sandwiches here. Okay, so I think we're ready to flip. Wow, ganda! Nakakatakam, di ba? Kasi nag-brown na siya. Yun, no? Ayan, brown na siya on both sides. We'll turn off the heat. So actually, ang technique then is you can stand this a bit, you know, for a few minutes bago mo i-slice if you're gonna serve it sliced. Kundi naman, well, you can arrange it on a platter already and serve. Ready na tayo mag-cut ng ating Montecristo sandwiches. Sa cutting, pwedeng horizontal o di kaya triangular. Pa-plate na natin siya. Ginawa natin iba-ibang shape, diba? Parang ganyan. Dito naglagay ako ng on the side ng marinara sauce kasi yan isang way of eating it to make it more fun and interesting dun sa lasa as well as yung combination ng tanginess ng marinara sauce tapos yung salty and savory notes naman ng ating Montecristo. There you go, isang napakasarap at napaka-filling na sandwich recipe na ang pangalan ay Montecristo Sandwiches. I do hope you will try this recipe very, very soon and I will see you again. This is Liana Tan Arsenas for Food Swings. For more recipes, visit www.homefoodie.com. You can also like our Facebook, that's Home Foodie, and follow us on Instagram at HomeFoodiePH. Don't forget to like and subscribe to our YouTube channel and click the bell icon to get notified for new uploads. Dahil dito sa Home Foodie, hindi lang nakakatakam, but siguradong madelicious!